In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AirPods Max to iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an iPad, regardless of the generation, you will be able to set it up and connect it with your AirPods Max. You will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on the iPad through the AirPods, and you will be able to do this completely wirelessly. So, as you might imagine, because you are using an Apple device, they are going to be able to communicate between themselves flawlessly, and this process is extremely simple. Immediately upon turning on your AirPods Max, as long as they have sufficient battery and you put them in close proximity of your iPad, they should immediately be detected. You will get a pop-up like this one that I'm showing you on this example. Of course, this is an iPhone, but essentially, the idea is the same. Immediately upon being detected, the iPad will display a pop-up telling you to set up your AirPods Max, and all that you have to do is tap the option to connect. So make sure that you are in close proximity, that the AirPods Max are sufficiently charged, and immediately upon pressing the button that you see on one of the ear cups, you will be good to go. If this doesn't happen naturally or you don't see the pop-up, then what you have to do is press and hold this skinny button for a few seconds. So not this knob, the other button, and when you press and hold this down for a few seconds, it is going to enable pairing mode like I mentioned. With pairing mode properly set up and enabled, you will now double check if Bluetooth is also on your iPad, and you will be able to find the AirPods Max under the list of available nearby devices. And all that you have to do in this instance is to choose it from the list. It is simple to set up and it will work with any iPad of any generation. Usually they will be automatically detected like this because, like I said, you are connecting an Apple device to another Apple device, so they can communicate between themselves easily. But if it doesn't happen, then just do the manual connection by enabling Bluetooth and then pressing and holding this skinny button for a few seconds until you see the LED at the bottom flash. Once the LED is flashing, it indicates that it is pairing up with the iPad and you can choose it from the list. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect AirPods Max to iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.